Hi, this is Raymond with Homeland Safes. I'm going to show you how to change a combination on a Sargent & Greenleaf mechanical lock. Okay, so back it up a little bit. Okay, so sometimes, well, most of the time, the lock will come with an envelope, and then there's this keys inside of it. All right, and most clients think that this is the key to change a combo, and it's not. This is to lock the dial from turning. It goes right in that area, and it turns it so nobody can even mess with it, can even attempt to open it. All right, so you need to unlock it if it's locked, first of all. And then if you have this key, which in most cases you will have to ask for it, and I believe you can purchase it for either $15 or $20. They'll give you a change combo kit, and then you can change a combination. In case that you do have like the standard or the factory preset, which is 50, and I'll show you right now, and then I'll teach you how to change the combination. We're gonna change the combo to 80, 30, 65, which is just a random number that I picked. All right, so right now it's 50, so you're gonna go 4 times counterclockwise. Let's start on 0. Okay, so 50, that will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep in mind that if you pass a number, you won't be able to work the lock. Once you hit the 50 mark, if you saw right there, you hit the 50. Oops. Sorry about that. Everybody's working in the back. You got to turn the dial to the right, and then it'll stop turning. And even if you press it with a little bit of force, it should stop turning about 84, but it's not always the same, but around 80 something. And then you can turn, back it up, and then you can turn the handle to open the bolts, to open the door, okay? So right now, we have it at 50. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change the combination. So this is gonna be your opening index, the top line here. You're changing index, it's at 11 o'clock, so that's the line that you're gonna use to change the combination. All right, so we're gonna do the actual combo, which is 50, to that line, to the changing index, okay? So we're gonna start on 0. I don't know if you can see it on this side. There you go, that's the second line. Remember, we're using that line. We're gonna start somewhere on 0. Let's just turn it a whole bunch of times, and 0. Okay, there you go. So 50, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 4. Okay. Once again, we're doing it to that second line on the left. Okay. Now we're gonna go back here. We're gonna insert the L key. All right. Okay. It's gonna go with the teeth. With this area, it's gonna go upward. Okay, make sure that when you insert it, it's gonna go all the way in. It's have to pass those little teeth right there. Okay, you're gonna insert it all the way in. Once it's all the way in, and you can't go, and you can wiggle it a little bit just to make sure. Then you turn it to 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock, right? Then you can go ahead and start changing it. Once again, we're gonna use the second line. Okay, our first number is gonna be 80, so we're gonna go 4 times counterclockwise to 80. Okay, so 80 once, 2, 3, and 4. You have to stop right in. Remember, if you pass it, just start over. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is just clear it. Just turn it to the left and start over again. The second number is 30. So we're gonna go to 30 3 times. So from 80, you're gonna go straight to 30. Don't even go all the way around. As soon as you hit 30, that's gonna count as a turn. So 30 is right there, that's once. Twice. One more. Do it slowly so that way you don't mess up and have to do it over again. That's 3. Okay, so our last number is 65. So from 30, we're gonna go directly to 65. And even though it's not a full turn, you're still gonna count as a turn, okay? So 65, straight to 65, that's gonna be 1, and then just 2. 65, 2. Right there, come back over here. Grab your key, turn it back down to 6 o'clock, and then just pull it out. Now the combination is 80, 30, and 65. I will make another video on how to dial the combination. Before you attempt to change the combo, I would recommend to see the video on how to dial the actual combination first, okay? Thank you so much.